Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make macchiato by using espresso machine. I will use an espresso machine and espresso capsules and aerochino 4. You will fill aerochino 4 by milk just to the whisk. Okay. I would prefer to use India capsule or Corto capsule or Roma capsule. Okay. First, as I say, you will choose your favorite capsule. I will choose India. Press espresso button. Prepare your milk and press cappuccino button. Now, just make milk like this, okay, and take 2 spoon milk, about 30 ml, and add to the cup. Then take 2 foam spoon and add to the cup also. Now we have macchiato. Thank you. Please please share and subscribe if you like this video.